Problem 11, solve for x. So I have 2/3 outside that parentheses. So I need to distribute that through. So I need to figure out 2/3 times 6x, which is just over 1. Well, multiply across top, 12x, across bottom 3. What's 12x divided by 3? That'll be 4x. I now need to do 2/3 times that 9 over 1. Multiply across top, multiply across the bottom. That's 6. So 4x minus 6 equals 2x plus 10. We will do what we normally do, move the smaller variable over. 2x take away 6 equals 10. Move my number over to be with my number. That way the variable's on one side and now our number's on the other. And we get our answer. X is 8 for number 11. Number 12. Let's see. Well, this is an inequality. We treat it just like it said equal. So I'm going to move my smaller variable over, subtract 3n. That gives me 2n plus 3 greater than negative 14. Subtract my 3, subtract my 3. 2n greater than negative 17. Okay. We divide by 2, divide by 2. We do not flip the sign. We weren't dividing by a negative. We were dividing by a positive 2. It's just a negative number that's being divided. That doesn't change anything. It's only if we divide by a negative that the inequality symbol will flip. 16 divided by 2 is 8. And 1 extra should be negative 8.5 or negative 8.5. All right, I'm going to move my smaller variable, which is 4n. Gives me negative 9 less than 5n plus 11. Now move my 11 over. Gives me 5n on this side. On this side, negative 20. Divide by 5, divide by 5. I was dividing by a positive number, so the inequality stays as it is, negative 4. Now, we do not like our answers usually written with the number and then the variable. We want the variable first. Notice that in this situation, that is our answer, but n is being eaten by the alligator, so we continue, keep it that way. Okay. This and this are the same, but we prefer that method. We prefer to have the answer with our variable piece first. They're the same thing. This is not wrong. It's just not written the way we like it. Number 14. Well, I'm going to distribute through. That gives me what? 4n minus 2 less than or equal to 2n minus 12. I went ahead and combined those. Now I'm going to go ahead and subtract 2n, subtract 2n. I have 2n, subtract 2, less than or equal to negative 12. Add my 2, add my 2. 2n less than or equal to negative 10. Divide by a positive 2, so the inequality does not flip. And there's my answer. All right. Here, n minus n minus n minus n. Well, n minus n is 0, so those go away. Negative n, that's negative 2n. Or negative 1 minus 1 more n makes it negative 2n. Less than negative 10, take away 10 more, negative 20. So now I have to get my variable by itself. I need to divide by a negative number on both sides. What happens to our inequality when we divide or multiply by a negative? Inequality sign flips. And this gives us 10. So n is greater than 10. You can go to my website and look at my explanation for why the inequality flips. I do explain it on the website. All right, there's through number 15.